Hello kids, today I will be teaching you mathematics. We are going to continue the chapter number 3, numbers up to 100. This is our second session. Now let us see what we have learned till now.
Numbers up to 100. How many pencils are these? These are 10 pencils. 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. 12 has 1 10 and 2 ones. 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. 16 has 1 10 and 6 ones. 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones. 18 has 1 10 and 8 ones. 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. 21 has 2 tens and 1 1. 22 has 2 tens and 2 ones. 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. 26 has 2 tens and 6 ones. 27 has 2 tens and 7 ones. 28 has 2 tens and 8 ones. 29 has 2 tens and 9 ones. 30 has 3 tens and 0 ones.
So kids, now let's move further from the numbers 41 to 50. So let's begin. Now as you can see in the picture, there are how many bunches of grapes? 1, 2, 3, 4. One bunch has 10 grapes. So one bunch is of 110. So here is 4 bunches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 40 and 1. That is 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40. O-N-E 1. Next. Again 4 bunches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2. 2 ones. That is 42. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-W-O 2. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. That is 43. F-O-R-T-Y 40. T-H-R-E-E 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bunches of grapes. That makes 4 tens. That is 4 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. That is 44. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-U-R 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So it makes 45. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-I-V-E 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. That is 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-I-X 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bunches make 4 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones makes 47. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 7, 47. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones makes 48. FORTY 40. EIGHT 8. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. It makes 49. FORTY 40. NINE 9. Now, if I add one more grapes to this, it will make a bunch of 1 grapes. That is 10 grapes make a bunch of 1 grape. 10 grapes. Okay. So, it has become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 tens and no ones. That is 0 ones. So, 50 makes 50. FIFTY 50. FIFTY 50. So kids, now we have seen number names from 21 to 50. In this chapter number 3, we have already done 1 to 20 in our previous chapter. Now we are going to solve one exercise based on the number names we have learned. This is your exercise 3rd A. Okay, chapter number 3 and exercise A1. Let us solve first one. Write the number corresponding to the given tens and ones. Now what you have to do, you have to count the ones and tens. You have to write it here down. Okay? Yes. Now, how many ones is there? Always we should start writing from the ones. So 1 and 2. So here you write 2. And is this 10? 10 box, right? So it is 1 and 2. So how many tens is there? 2 tens. So your answer will be 22. Now moving to the next one. How many ones is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write here 4. And tens 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens and 4 ones makes 34. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4. Here on the ones place you will write 4. Now let's count tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Are you getting it, students? You have to go through it? Yes. Good then. Let's count. Come on, count with me. 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3. Now count the tens. 1, 2, 3. Write here 3 as well. Very good, kids. Now let's solve this one. Let us count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Now count the tens. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 47. Next. Come on, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the ones place you will write 8. Now let us see what is there in tens place. 1, 2 and 3. So 3. 38. Okay, kids? Have you understood this? You have to count properly. I know you can do it. Counting is very easy for you all. Let us move to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Okay, now first one is already done. Let us see how it is. 1 and 2. This is 2. Tens. And 0 ones. There is no ones over here. Now next. 1, 2, 3. You will write here 3 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So it will make 39. 3 tens, 1 ones. 39. Next. 2 bunches of 6. Okay. So here you will write 2 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you will write 6. So it will make 2 tens, 6 ones, that is 26. Next, let us count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones makes 44. So, in this way, you have to write the exercise in the book in which you are maintaining for the subject. But before writing the exercise, you have to write the number name from 41 to 50, because you have already written 21 to 30 and 31 to 40. Now, in our today's class, I have taught you 41 to 50 number names. So that you will write first and then you will solve this exercise. Okay, kids? Thank you. Keep learning. Be safe. Have a good day.